Dear world, I am a messenger of the divine, here to deliver a sacred message of love, compassion, and unity. Hear these words with an open heart, for they are whispered from the heavens above. God sends forth this message. My children, in a world filled with strife and division, I beseech you to come together as one. Embrace the diversity that surrounds you, for it is a gift bestowed upon you. Let kindness be your language, understanding your guiding light, and forgiveness your shield. Remember that every soul is precious, and together you have the power to heal and uplift one another. Unite in love, and let this love radiate throughout the corners of the earth. In unity, you shall find peace, and in peace, you shall find me. May these words resonate within your hearts and inspire you to create a world filled with harmony and boundless compassion. With eternal love. God.